Oriental know the issue and are supportive of the stand of the Philippine government on the West Philippine Sea. And that is why I am supporting this takbo para sa WPS, and let us all inform, you are here, inform everyone to join. We will be asking friends to send their employees here, both public and private, to join this. And to be able to show that we in Cagayan de Oro really care about this issue. Malayo na tayo sa Manila, no? Where, the national offices are held. But we have Lumbia also. We are making sure that Mindanao would know the issue. Now, the detractors of the president are saying, they're going around. May rally dito sa Kwan, sa Agusan. They go to the different camps. And what do they say? They say, si Marcos is bringing us to war. Mauna mamatay kayo, mga soldiers. Look at this kind of disinformation. Magigera na tayo. Dito mga Amerikano. So pag gera dyan, kayo mga iniikot yan. Kayo muna mamatay, mga military. And then tayo naman, mga civilians. Because magkagera na. The President Marcos bring us to war, far from the truth. No president of our country will want to have war, except that President Marcos has a government that insists on our international rights, and we support him. So we support the takbo para sa WPS. Andrew, gumangko ko ni anak ni the late Kapitan Boy Neri, and we are going to call our different national agencies to be able to send delegations, and then also our barangays. Medyo mahal lang tayo eh. Paano natin ma-lower yan? Is that what? Andrew, medyo mahal-mahal lang ha? So if you want to have more participation, alam mo, hindi tayo taga Manila, dito lang, simple, Cagayan de Oro lang tayo, baka yung 1,002, mahal na, di ba? Do you agree?
We agree.
How much? 1,000 to the 50.
Pag-usapan po namin dito.
Yeah, why don't you just lower that? Because medyo mahal lang mga fund run natin. So anyway, just lower it. And then anyway, importante that there's more participation. Because once they run, they would know that it is for the West Philippine Sea. Ano na yan eh? They don't know something. So we have to lower down cost of registration so that we can have more participants. Okay? So that's, hindi to Manila kasi. So nasa Mindanao tayo. So baka pwedeng cheaper tayo. So that Froilan will run with me 2 kilometers lang kami. Run and walk. Di ba? Will you all be present there? All the press should be there, correct?
Yes.
Special rates sa press. Tayo din kasi
Libre po yung
contribution
press.
ito. Ha?
Libre po yung press.
Libre pala kayo. So all of your things mo, palakpakan natin. Libre yung press, accredit na kayo lahat.
Libre yung coverage po. Libre.
Mag-register or free sila? Mag-register pa rin or libre na? Press kasi.
Just contact our local partner, Circle Production.
Yeah, just contact us. Let us have them free because they'll cover it. They have some vision to do. But let us slow it down because I will start now, knowing this, I will start now calling my friends in the national offices and city government, yung si Vice President, so that marami ang mag-join because it's really more about knowledge. Okay? Diyan, di ba? So therefore tell us the final amount so that we can be able to, yeah.
It's supposed to be a
Just
show.
yeah.
Supposed to be a show of force.
Show of force. And if we have a high registration, pero registration kasi may magandang t-shirt, Anong ibigay pa sa registration, Andrew? What else do you give from the registration?
So the shirt
Shirt?
and the medals, and then there's a loot
The
bag.
medals if you win.
Then, if you finish, lahat po, may medals.
Medal pag matapos, tapusin natin for ilan, Oriel? 2 kilometers lang tayo.
And of course, the educational comic book, so lahat po ng proceeds, kaya medyo mahal po siya to produce all these comic books. Kasi po,
Yeah.
we're gonna distribute this also to schools.
Yeah, mabuti rin to schools. Pero medyo mahal pa rin. So,
Pag-usapan
baka konti lang talaga mapupunta dyan kung mahal. So we will have a delegation from the congressional office. We will have a delegation from Barangay Nazareth where my daughter is the Kapitan. we'll ask for some barangays also to send and the national offices. We hope to have a good attendance. Basta, wag lang masyado mahal. Wag yung 1,200, hindi makaya yun.